Hi everyone, it's Miss Qualters. Thanks for joining me, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a super cute Mother's Day card. First, I'm going to tell you a couple of different supplies that you'll need to make this card. You can pause the video to go collect them and then come back and we'll make the card together. The first thing you need is any kind of paper. After that, you can find glue or tape and scissors. And last, you need any kind of markers, pens, pencils, anything. The first thing you need to do is fold your paper in half. So you don't want to fold it the long way like that, like a hot dog. You're gonna want to fold it across like a hamburger. You can match up the corners to make sure that it's nice and even. And then you're just gonna flatten that other side so that it's closed on the edge like a book. You're gonna have the flat part on the left side where it's closed, and then it's gonna open on the right, just the same as a storybook. The next part is a little bit tricky. You're gonna cut out a whole bunch of little tiny hearts, all different shapes, sizes, and colors. If you have white paper, you can cut them out and then color them afterwards. What I like to do is take my paper, fold it in half, and draw half a heart. If you're already used to this, you don't have to draw the half, but it might help you, especially if you're in kindergarten or first grade. So you can draw it on there or have somebody help you, and then take your scissors and cut that folded edge of the paper all the way around where you drew your half of a heart. Cut, 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 and then when you open it, ta-da, little tiny heart. It takes a while to cut these out, so I'm gonna speed it up. You can pause the video and take your time. Ta-da! Now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna take all of those little hearts that we cut out and we're gonna glue them to our card. Again, make sure that left-hand side is closed so that it can open up just like a book. You're gonna need your glue stick now, and you're gonna start gluing your hearts onto the card. Just a little bit of glue right on the back. You don't need a lot. And then you're gonna start sticking them on. When we stick them on, we kind of want this to look like a bunch of balloons. We're gonna turn this into a big balloon bouquet of hearts. It's gonna be super cute when we're done. It can go off the page a little bit. You're gonna want them to go kind of on top of each other. If you imagine a big bunch of balloons in your head, we don't have them in a straight line. They kind of go all over the place. So you can kind of put these all over the place. I like to put some on top to give it a little bit of texture. Let's speed it up and see what that looks like when we put a lot of them all together. Now that we have our balloon bouquet all set up, you can take a marker, crayon, anything you want, and start adding your balloon strings. They can all come down and twist together. If you imagine a big bunch of balloons or what that would look like, that's kind of what we're trying to recreate on our paper. They can go all over the place, and I always like to add a big bow in the middle to hold them together. Now, this is when you can get a little creative. You could add sparkles, you could do it in any color you want. I have black, so that's what I'm going to use. I also like to add these little lines on balloons. They kind of make them look a little bit puffier and fluffier and more realistic. So you can add those to yours, but of course it's your choice. If you have any sparkles at home, or you want to put dots or stripes or smiles or anything else onto your balloons, you can go ahead and do that. The last thing you need to do is write your message. So I took a bit of a skinnier pen, and you can write Happy Mother's Day, you can write I love you, anything that you want to put on this card. Again, you can really make this card for any time or anybody that you love or care about. You could write thank you could write you are awesome. Anything you'd like to put on this card is totally cool and up to you. Then on the inside is where you put your message. So you can open your card up. My card is going to say, Dear Mom, at the top. Your message goes in the middle, and then at the bottom, you can sign your card. So I'm signing mine with love, Miss Qualters. And you can write your name at the bottom there. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see all of your super cool cards.